me show you what's included and how to use these glass screen protectors. So you can see I've used these before. It kind of opens up and rips the box, but it comes with some wet and dry wipes. It comes with dust absorber stickers. So basically you just use them to pat on and get away the dust, some instructions, and then it has the protectors in a bag here. So basically what you're gonna do is you're going to use the wet wipe, you're gonna wipe the screen of your phone, and then you'll use the dry wipe to dry it off and make sure it does no like wet marks or spots on it. If you still have any dust on it, you'll just peel this dust sticker and you'll basically just go like tap, 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 and it collects all the dust but doesn't make like sticker residue on your screen. And then once you are done and your screen looks really perfect, so you don't want to have any marks on it before you do this, you can see this says back, so you're going to peel it off like this, and that means this part goes down. And basically what you're going to end up doing is you're going to take your fingers, kind of hold them on each side like this, and just gently place on your phone screen. Once it places and it's down, you'll just press and hold and squeeze out all the air bubbles off your screen. They're really easy to use, and there's multiple that come in a pack, so if you mess up the first one, you can have a few others to try with.